It's Alicia with Quilts on Tour, and it's another Nifty Notion Wednesday. So for today's Nifty Notion, I have an add a quarter ruler. These are great if you're doing a lot of paper piecing. It just is an easy way to measure up that 1/4 inch and cut at a perfect 1/4 inch. So the ruler has a yellow tint to it, but it's pretty easy to see through. And it's actually a great small ruler, 6 inch, if you're trying to measure something small. But I don't know if you could see on the ruler, it has kind of like a lip to it, and that's a 1/4 inch, this whole lip thing. So what you're supposed to do is you take your piece that you're paper piecing. Here's one that I've started when I was on a retreat. I've got 2 or 3 of them done. I just have to finish it up. So all you have to do with your add a quarter ruler is you take your paper pattern and you fold it on whatever line you're on for your pattern. For this one, I'm on line 1, so I folded it there. And you take your add a quarter ruler and you just butt it up against that fold. So as you can see, I can't pull this back anymore because it gets stuck on the fold. Then you take your rotary cutter and just trim right along there, and you have your perfect 1/4 inch. The ruler does come with instructions on how to use it. I'll leave a link in the description below. I believe you can get these off of Amazon, and most quilting stores also carry these. And you can also get them longer, like 12 inches if you're working on a bigger paper piecing. But here is one of the blocks that I did, that I finished up. And as you can see from the back, all of my seams are a perfect 1/4 inch because I was able to trim it using this ruler. It would not have been that perfect if I was not using this ruler. So thanks for watching, and make sure you share this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.